the MX Master 3.
For this MX Master 3.
Is the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse.
Logitech MX Master 3 mouse.
If you've watched any tech setup video, I'm sure you would have noticed the Logitech MX Master. And for good reason. Every generation, from the Performance MX to the current MX Master 3, has been the best productivity mouse of its time. The MX Master 3, it has two scroll wheels, so you can not only scroll up and down, but side to side. It even has an infinite scroll wheel for when your girlfriend sends you a really long text to tell you why she's upset with you. One thing I love is the nifty little gesture button on the side, which allows you to bind functions to the direction you choose while holding it down. And I've definitely used this to cheat on my exams. I absolutely love the MX Master 3. And I kind of have a mini version of it myself. It's the MX 720 Triathlon. It has, the same gesture button that I've raved about over here. It's a little scuffed up from using it for a little over 4 to 5 years. So, yep. Why am I complaining then if I love this mouse so much? Well, it's because of my new job. For security reasons, a lot of companies, if not most companies, don't allow their employees to install third-party softwares onto their work computers. This uses the same Logitech Options software as the MX Master 3. So I thought of getting one for my work. And to my surprise, the Logitech MX Master 3 does not have onboard memory, despite how expensive it is. It's like 120 bucks for M-From. So yeah, I thought it would be an upgrade to this because I want to use this for work. But I can't. So on my laptop back there, I've programmed my gesture button to do all the things that I want, right? I like it to scroll between my active windows on a Mac, so my active spaces. But yeah, I can't transfer it over to my work computer because it doesn't save all the profiles on the mouse. Instead, all my functions, from the side button to the scrolling and just the gesture button as well, is all stored on the Logitech Options software on my Mac. And when I bring my mouse to my work computer, it just forgets everything and defaults to the default. So what do you do if you're someone like me that has been issued a company computer and you want a nice mouse to do productivity things? Is there no other option? Fret not, because Logitech has another mouse that might fit your needs. The G604 comes from Logitech's gaming division. And unlike the MX series of mice, all of these, like the gaming stuff, they have onboard memory. Gaming division? Isn't that like RGB territory? No. I love this mouse because it has no RGB. Thank you, Logitech! Alright, so I mentioned that this uses Logitech's gaming software. So yeah, you can use that software to save all your presets into this mouse. I think you can store a total of 5 presets and you can customize all the buttons on the side. Unfortunately, there's no gesture button that you can press down and slide your mouse back and forth. But 6 buttons on the side is more than enough for me, at least. And if that's not enough for you, you can reprogram these two. I think you can reprogram the right-click scroll wheel and tilt. Oh yeah, tilt is really important because on Excel sheets, you will want that. There are also certain other trade-offs that you will have to take when you buy this mouse. First of all, you lose the ability to transition seamlessly between two devices. But it's kind of fine because you have this button right here, the light speed button, which allows you to change between two devices, just not seamlessly. So yeah, connect to one computer using Bluetooth and the second one using the light speed receiver. And yeah, you press this button to switch between the two computers. It's fast, just not as fast as swiping in between the two computers. But the huge plus point to using Lightspeed is that it is the same system used by Logitech's G Pro Wireless and all the other wireless gaming mouse these days. from Logitech. So it has a 1000 Hz polling rate, and it's almost indistinguishable from a wired mouse. Some say even better. You know, who am I to judge? One trade-off you don't have to make, however, is the legendary Logitech build quality. I mean, just listen to this. So there you have it. The Logitech MX Master 3S and its little siblings are awesome productivity mice. But if you're like me and you use a work-issued computer, you simply can't use the Logitech option software. So in this case, you might want to take a look at the G604 because it's simply better. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to this channel. Stay tuned to this channel and have a good day. Thank you very much for watching.